Welcome to this tutorial on the coalesce command in Splunk SPL. The coalesce command is a powerful function that allows you to select the first non-null value from multiple fields for data consolidation. This command is essential when working with datasets that have missing or scattered information across different fields. The coalesce command returns the first non-null value from a list of field names, creating a new field with the consolidated result. Think of it as a smart selector that examines multiple fields in order and picks the first one that contains actual data, skipping over any empty or null values. The basic syntax for the coalesce command is straightforward. You use the pipe symbol followed by eval, then specify your new field name equals coalesce, and inside parentheses, list the fields you want to check in order. The command will evaluate field 1, field 2, field 3, and so on, returning the first non-null value it encounters. Let's look at a simple example. Here we're using eval contact equals coalesce with email, phone, and address fields. This creates a new field called contact that will contain the first available value from these three fields. If email has a value, it uses that. If email is null but phone has a value, it uses phone. If both are null, it uses address. This example shows how coalesce works with actual data. In the before section, we have three records with scattered information across email, phone, and address fields. Notice how each record has null values in different places. After applying the coalesce command, we get a clean contact field where each record now has the first available contact information consolidated into a single field. You can also use coalesce with default values. In this example, we're creating a status field that checks user status first, then default status, and finally falls back to the literal string unknown if both fields are null. This ensures that your new field always has a value, even when all the source fields are empty. Coalesce really shines when working with multiple fields. Here we're consolidating name information from 4 different sources: full name, first name, username, and ID. The command checks these fields in priority order and uses the first non-null value it finds. This is particularly useful when dealing with user data from different systems that store names in various formats. The coalesce command offers 2 key benefits. First, it enables effective data consolidation by merging scattered data from multiple fields into one unified field. Second, it gracefully handles missing data by providing fallback options when encountering null values. This makes your data analysis more robust and your results more complete. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.